Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill outlet bins and see what we can find. It's towards the end of the day. I usually come in the mornings, but it's still pretty empty over here. This little guy is interesting. I think he was holding something. Oh, these bottles are still here. I need a blue boot. There's the other one right there. I actually really like these beakers as decor. I think they're pretty cool, but I don't need any, so I'm gonna leave them here. But you could put a plant in them. Just think of it like a little pot. Is this a bunch of little fish? Oh, that's cute. It's a fish bowl with fish, but the tail's broken off. I do like this. That's a really good brand too. It must have been a while since they changed out the wall because there's a lot of empty bins here. It's a white planter. Really don't need another planter though. Especially not that size. Maybe some bigger ones, but not any smaller ones. Yeah, most of this is empty. It's been picked through. Cart is still empty. Let's see what's in this bin. Plates. Oh my gosh, this is a cute little rocking chair. It is. That is adorable. I don't need this. Gonna leave it here. Hopefully somebody else rescues it. It's a mirror. Here's another bin of stuff over here. Artwork. Christmas tree. What is this? Looks like somebody already gave this a little copper finish. Here's a mirror. What's over there? Is it artwork or another mirror? Some artwork. Little clock. It's a newer clock. Anybody need a Winnie the Pooh shirt? I think Winnie the Pooh is back in style. I feel like my kids told me that. This one's an extra large. Do I need a Winnie the Pooh shirt? Ooh, look at this cute cloche with this knobby top. Love that. Oh, and look at these glass angels. Oh man, this one has a chip right here. They're so pretty though. Should I rescue them or should I leave them here? It had a tag under it, but I can't read it. This one says Amory, Mississippi. I think I'm gonna leave them here because of the chip. Maybe somebody else will rescue them. But exciting news! I am putting the first thing in the cart. We got a bin of bows down there, puzzles, a bunch of Easter eggs. Anybody need some Valentine puppies? It is not looking good. I think this is the last bin that I have to dig through unless they bring out more. Wait, is this a piece of Tupperware shaped like celery? It is. I kind of love that. I don't know. I think I like this. I think I'm gonna get it. Do you like the celery shaped Tupperware? Yeah, I think it's cute too. It's different. It's different. That's what I like about it. All right, let me put this under my arm. I don't want nobody to see my celery. What in the world? What's happening here? Santa. Some more vintage Tupperware. Oh, look, this one has a little Christmas tree. I think this is a Jello mold. So then when you took it out, the top would have a tree. And this one has a star. Maybe I should look these up. Wait, it opens like this. Is there another part that goes on here? I don't know. Y'all know I don't really bake. I'm gonna look those up though. Alright, I looked these up and there was like a plate it went on, and then it had different tops so you could change out the different pictures that were on here. They don't really sell for that much, so I'm gonna leave them here. Maybe somebody else will rescue them. I'm gonna take my celery and move along. I was hoping to find something at the Goodwill Bins that I could wear for my Christmas in July sale this week. This is Christmassy, but it's also 50% wool. So I'm not sure if I could wear this in July. Let's look for a short sleeve option, or even a vest would work. I could go for a vest. Well, it's looking like today is going to be a bust at the Goodwill Bins. All I got is this close right here and a little celery container. So y'all let me know, what's the favorite item today? This, leave a comment below and I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on these two items. Y'all have a great day. We will be back tomorrow to see what else we can find at the Goodwill Bins.